Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2020 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.